I'm running out of pine stock from the big box stores, so I'm milling down this piece into smaller pieces to use for this project. Plus, it would look better at 1/4 inch instead of 1/2 inch. Sometimes we do silly things as we're working. Like in this case, I only cut 2 at a time, walked off camera, grabbed 2 more pieces, cut 2 more, and went through that way. I don't know why it just didn't work off of the stack. Oh well. Well, I'm going to use a tool that I haven't used for a very long time to make these, and that is my scroll saw. You see how it works? So when scroll sawing, it is very easy to forget. What you want to do is you want to press directly on the blades. You're going to do a lot of turning as with scrolling, and you're going to have a tendency to want to push from side to side, and you don't want to do that. What you want to do is push straight in, and as you make a turn, then back off, give it some slack, and then make your turn, your pivot, as close as you possibly can. It's actually much harder than one would think it is. So they're all cut out, but the scroll saw leaves fuzzy bits on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly sand, and I'm not going to make you suffer through that. There's only one thing more boring than sanding, and that is watching somebody sand on a video. So what the heck? Let's spend some time sanding. Nah, just kidding. We'll skip over this part for the video. These are looking kind of good, but I think they need something on the top. I think I'm just going to make a little handle and we'll go with that. I made these handles by cutting down some scrap stock that I had laying around to 4-inch lengths and then just sanding and shaping using sander. They came out pretty good. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.